Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at number lines and inequality notation. Okay, so here I have the definition for inequality right here. Feel free to pause the video and write that down. So what we want to do is just simply graph some inequalities, and I'm going to go through some different types here. Okay, these are the ones where you're given an inequality notation. And so they give you the inequality, you have to graph it. So I've got x is less than negative 10. So what I want to do here is just go to negative 10 and go less than that. So I go to the left and it matches the arrow like that. Okay, here I've got x is greater than or equal to negative 7. So I'm just going to go to negative 7. This time, because it's an equal to, I'm going to close in the circle and then go greater than that to the right. So both of those are one-sided, where you just go to one side, but there's some other type of inequalities as well. So the first one here is 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are compound, where you're going toward the middle. So if you take a look at the inequality, on the first one here, we got negative 2 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 5, with x being in the middle. Okay, so since x is in the middle, another way to really look at it is think about the x as the main focal point. And you don't think of negative 2 as less than x, but you can think of x as greater than negative 2. So x has to be greater than negative 2. So we go to negative 2, fill in the circle, and we're going to go to the right. But it's also less than 5, less than or equal to. So you go to 5, circle that, and fill that in. So it has to be going to the left. So it's going in between those two, and you end up with that. Okay, here's another example. We've got negative 6. X is greater than negative 6. So we're going to come here, close in the circle because it's equal to, and then go to the right. But x is also less than or equal to 2. So we're going to go to the left. Okay, so here are two more. This is a or situation where you got x is less than 4 or x is greater than 10. So all you have to do here is just go to and just graph each one of them. So you got 4, and you know x is less than that, not equal to, so we leave the circle open, and we graph to the left. Here you got x is greater than 10, so you'll go to 10, open circle, and go to the right. Alright, so now, here's another one. X is less than negative 8, and just simply go to negative 8 and go to the left. And you have x is greater than 8, and you go to the right. Alright, so that is where they give you the inequality and you have to graph it. Now we're about to do some where they give you the graph and you have to write the inequality. So let's take a look at some of those. So this is giving the number line and we have to write the inequality. Alright, so we'll take a look at a couple of these. Here are the one-sided ones here. So this one's 4, and we want to say x is, since we're going to the right, greater than 4. And we're not going to put it equal to because it's an open circle. Alright, number 8. We'll look at this one. It's 7 here. So we're going to say x, and we're going to the left, so x is less than 7, matches the arrow there, less than 7. But with the circle filled in, we're going to put an equal to. Alright, let's look at some compound ones. Alright, so here, remember the x is in the middle. So let's go ahead and put the x in the middle already. Okay, and x has to be greater than -1. But we're going to put a less than sign. But you see the Pac-Man eats the x there. It's greater. But it has to be less than +4. And we're going to leave both of these lines off because they're both open circles. Okay, here we're going to have the x in the middle again. And we have 8 and 11. So we got 8 and 11. Okay. And the x, and to be honest, the arrows are always going to go in the same direction here. But we got less than symbol and less than symbol. And we're going to put an equal to on both to fill in. So that is the compound ones. You're putting the x in the middle. Okay, now on these are both ORs. And here you just graph each individual inequality and put OR in between them. So here we got -10, x is less than or equal to, because it's filled in, -10, or 7 here, x is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, now on this one, x is less than -1, no equal to because it's open circle, or x is greater than, no equal to 10. And that is it. That is number lines and inequality notation. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.